What's up, YouTube? Sorry it's been a little while since my last video. This one I'm calling a Hurricane Irma because well, it's Hurricane Irma here right now in Florida, in Kissimmee. We literally got a towel, we got water leaking in. We had 2 tornado warnings this morning. And right now, it's just rain and high winds. No damage, no trash yet. Ooh, my hand just got wet. Let me turn the phone around and show you guys what it looks like outside. I don't know if you can really see this moisture on the windows. Haines City has a tornado warning, so Jade, if you're watching this video, please be safe. But the winds are picking up real good. I mean, we have one really tall palm tree. So we're watching out for that. I just keep getting water hitting my head. Once the storm's over, I'm gonna be caulking that in. But right now, there's still people on the roads when there shouldn't be, because you got a tornado in one direction and a storm in the other.
Let's go and take a look over towards Cocoa Beach right now, the Shepherd Park area. Getting a little break in the heavy rain, so you can actually see at least a little bit. Still getting some rainfall down there, but look at those waves. We're looking at 6 to 8 foot waves, really crashing onto the beach right now. And as we head towards high tide, again, we're going to see possibly beach erosion over the next 24 hours or so. Definitely not a place you want to be, that is for sure. And we're also watching some strong storms that have been moving away onshore off the area.
They're also showing on the bottom of the screen that 6 mobile homes on Indian River Drive were destroyed, but no one was injured.
Not a lot of lightning, but boy, they packed quite a punch with the winds out there. Winds gusting up to 50 to 60 miles per hour in some locations. Let me get you in a little bit closer here. The worst of the weather's been around Melbourne. It's beginning to shift a little bit farther to the north now around Cocoa and Cocoa Beach over towards Titusville. That's where some of the worst weather is now. Very heavy rain around our radar site, and that continues to push its way in. And Kissimmee looking okay right now, but just south of Bithlo.
We're not okay right now. We're getting...
Be shifting its way
well, I guess the rain's okay, but the wind's picking up. So don't let that fool you. What Channel 13 News does not know is that there's high winds right here, right now. There's a tornado right around the corner somewhere, because I remember seeing a public library I go to. I'm not going to say which one it is. Right down the road here. It looked like a tornado was right there. So I'm staying inside. I'm not coming out. I'm actually seeing debris in the road now. Looks like just trash and
winds at 130.
But it's just winds picked up right now. Little.
That's when the worst of the weather is going to be there, but it's already going to be bad this afternoon with isolated tornadoes and very heavy rain possible across the area. In fact, we're looking
so it's supposed to be hitting my area around 2 p.m.
12 inches in some locations.
What time is it now?
Inches possible around parts of the Bar County, the Cape, over towards Melbourne, Cocoa, also down towards Palm Bay.
12:50, 1 o'clock.
1 o'clock, so about an hour, so it's supposed to hit. It's supposed to hit Kissimmee, St. Cloud, Hollow Paul, Poinciana, Kingsville, and Yeehaw, Jupiter. Or, I can't even, Junction? I can't really read that. That's my mom's area right there, plus mine.
Because after we get rid of the mess today and tomorrow, as that system moves off, we'll actually start to see things quieting down a bit. Only about 30% chance of showers.
Today and tomorrow, it's hurricane conditions. out through the rest of the week, it's just rain and lightning.
Of showers and thunderstorms. Of course, we'll keep you
So not too bad. Not too bad. At least you'll still be able to go out. But, yeah, it's pretty bad here right now. I mean, we still got an hour before the whole thing happens. This tree is, like, really swaying right now. And I'm not even sure how safe that is because it's the tallest palm tree right in front of the property. It could either A, hit the office, or it could B, land towards the Kissimmee Animal Hospital. Which you don't want either of those options. You still got people driving on the road. Please, people, when there's a hurricane outside and you get 2 tornado warnings, you guys should be staying inside, not going outside and putting yourselves in danger. It's not even funny. I mean, there's a lot of you guys out there driving right now. And it's not even cool. You know, you're supposed to protect yourselves, not go out in danger. Unless you're evacuating, I mean, that's something you guys should have done before. Unless you're being asked to do so now. But I think you guys are crazy going out there driving in this weather because you only got an hour before it really hits. And it will hit pretty hard. Especially when you got both. After I get off with you guys, I gotta get a hold of my parents, make sure they're okay. Shoot. Hey, you know Mo's collectible BMW window's still open, right? Because he hasn't even bothered to fix it. He's getting water all in that car. So his collectible is going to be no good. No doubt about it. Hurricane's here. It's taking its time going up the panhandle. And be here within the next hour. I'll try to keep you guys updated as much as I can. I thank you guys for all my subscribers. I'm sorry I haven't posted much. But, you know, please do me a favor. Stay safe. And don't do anything stupid. I like to give out some YouTuber shout outs.